ಹಲೋ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಉಮ್ಮಸ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇವೇ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು 80 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ವರೆಗೆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ. 80 to 90 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ವರೆಗೆ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ನ ವಿತ್ ಎನ್ ನೀಟ್ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನಿಂಗ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್. ತುಂಬ ಸಲ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ, ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇವು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಬಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಬಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ರೈಟ್ ಎ ನೋಟ್ ಆನ್ ಬಿಗ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಷನ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ repeated in so many times. Students to remember this and note down the all questions. Write a short note on subroutine and parameter passing, different types of instruction format, and explain the 3 address instruction, 2 address instruction and 1 address instruction, and discuss the IEEE standard form of single precision and double precision floating point number with example. These are very important, guys. These are the first model only. These questions will be repeated so many times. So I am referred 5 to 6 model question papers, guys. So only take model 1 question, these questions only you can get out of it, guys. So remember and note down the questions, guys. See next model 2 questions. So what is the addressing mode, and explain different types of addressing modes, guys, with example also. You have to give an example and a definition. So write a short note on assembler directives, guys, and explain the shift and rotate operation with example. You have to explain the shift rotation with the example, guys. So remember these questions and note down that. Now see, guys, explain the stock operation with example. With write a short note on subroutine with a linkage register. Write a program to add a number using indirect addressing model. Now see the third model. The first question is explain operation of DMA with a NEET diagram. Write a note on interrupt. Write a different ways of interrupt, enabling and disabling interrupt. Write daisy chain and priority structure. Explain program control input and output. Explain the concept of vectored interrupt. What are the bus arbitration with controllized bus arbitration mechanism with NEET diagram, guys. These are very important, guys. Model 2 is completed. Model 3 also completed. Now see for model 4 with a NEET diagram. Explain the internal organization of 2M into 8 dynamic memory chip. The fourth model, first question is this one, and the second one is explain the internal organization of 16 into 8 memory chip. Explain secondary storage device. These are very important, guys. You have to note down and make the screenshot if you need. These only you have to study. These are very important, and don't study another any questions. These are very much of important and repeated so many times. I referred many of question papers and list out the questions, guys. So refer these more questions only. Explain a virtual memory organization. Define a charge memory. Explain various types of its with NEET diagram. With a NEET diagram, explain working principle of magnetic disk. Guys, if you need any doubts about these questions, you have to take any one model question paper. These questions only repeated so many times, so you can refer this only. Model 5, describe multiple bus organization of the CPU with the NEET block diagram, also with advantages. So write down the control sequence of the execution of the instruction of and R3 and R1. Now see, guys, discuss the NEET diagram, a single bus organization of data path inside a procedure. Now see, guys, fourth one, explain a hardwired control unit organization in a processing unit with a diagram. What do you mean by a micro instruction? Design basic organization of a microprogrammer control unit with a diagram. Explain multiple bus, their bus, 3 bus organization with a NEET diagram. What is the microprogrammer control. Explain its basic organization with a suitable diagram and explain. Example with the students as the example it is. So you have to study these questions only. These are very much important, and you have to take a screenshot and note down the all questions, guys. These are very important and repeated most of the time. I have referred so many of question papers and some other important questions also. So refer these and take a note down. These questions are, if you are interested, take any 5 questions or 6 questions you have to take, because of the lot of questions is there, guys. So you have to take any 5 questions. If there are 7 or 8 questions in one model, you can take any 6 questions you have to take. These questions only very much of important and repeated questions. You can get a 50 marks, 50 to 60 marks you can easily get, because of these questions only repeated in your next coming exam. So guys, you have to take this all, and if you are interested and you can study all. If you are any and comes where you have less time, you can study 6 questions, any 6 questions you have to study. Definitely get a passing marks and scoring marks. If you need out of 4, you can study all questions. These questions only repeat, guys. So take down and exam will do well, and all the best, guys. Thank you.